Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Mappy Gets Killed in Mario Maker. Okay, so what we're gonna do is try out this level that I designed called Juggling Grinders. I actually created it for a friend of mine named Samuel. He really likes Super Mario World, so it's gonna be in the style of Super Mario World. I thought I'd give him a level filled with a whole bunch of grinders, all those spiky devices in there. But of course, if I expect someone to beat a difficult level, I'm gonna have to beat it myself. So that's why I'm here, to be tortured. So we're gonna get started. I picked Toadette for this level. Oh, there's the goal. Reach the goal after grabbing at least 111 coins. Whoa, and this actually is an auto-scrolling level, so it's a bit fast-paced. And right there, I put those floating question mark blocks to throw my players off. This the item that I got, the cape, actually helps a lot in this level. But if you're not quick enough, you won't grab it right there in the beginning. It's actually kind of funny to see Toadette in this kind of a level, because she wasn't even in Super Mario World. Get rid of that guy real quick. You know, when I was little, I used to always think that those Goombas were little tomatoes. Like walking tomatoes. Doesn't he kind of look like a tomato? Look at him. Sorry, tomato guy. Get out of here. This jump is a bit difficult to make without the feather. That's why I'm saying the feather, the cape helps you a lot in this level. And with those guys too. Oh no, okay, we missed that one. Hopefully that won't hurt us too badly. We need to get 111 if we're gonna beat the level. Oh, there we go. There we go, it's all done. Okay. I thought for sure we were gonna die at least 3 times. Let's see if we might have enough time to play another level actually. Um let's try. How about this one? Fire and snow fight. Oh, I think this is a Mario 3 type level. Oh, snowball challenge. What's tricky about this types of levels? Oh, okay, is how slippery they are. They're all covered in ice. It's like I'll be walking in there. See that slip? Let's kick it the other way. There we go. Oh, see, it did come in handy. Oh, we gotta grab all these coins too. Why did I make this level a coin challenge? Okay, I'm not going back over there. That's too dangerous. Oh, okay. I don't know if we'll have enough time to beat this level. This one's kind of tricky. Actually, after I built this level, I did not have enough time to test it. So I guess this is the test for it. I did not realize you can jump on that. Oh my goodness. I don't like this. Okay, let's just run away. How about that? Yeah, I'm gonna repeat it last time. Thank you. More coins. The slipperiness is throwing me off. Oh. There we go. We got enough coins. Okay, now let's get out of here. No! No thank you, no thank you. Run away, run away. Oh, and one last guy. Wow, okay, so we were able to finish 2 levels this time. Join me again next time. I'm gonna try and throw in a couple more levels. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.